Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mercury thermostat is probably one of the most iconic and enduring designs in home climate control, offering a simple, reliable, and surprisingly accurate way to manage your home's temperature. In this video, we will explore its functionality, installation, and the key factors to consider before purchasing one, helping you decide if this classic thermostat is the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Quicksilver 825212A1 Thermostat Kit. This kit ensures your cooling system operates at the ideal temperature. It's designed for a precise and efficient performance. It's calibrated to maintain the perfect cooling system temperature. This ensures optimal engine performance and longevity. The kit includes a new thermostat and a custom-fit gasket for a perfect seal. Installation is quick and easy. It's simple to install using common tools. No special skills or equipment are required. Consult your owner's or service manual for detailed instructions on removing the old thermostat and installing this one. It provides step-by-step guidance. You can trust in its reliability and precision. It's built to last and maintain peak engine performance. What we like. It's calibrated for optimal cooling system response and comes with everything you need for an easy replacement. If your engine is overheating, and you need a reliable and easy-to-install solution, this is the perfect choice for you. It ensures your engine runs at the right temperature, preventing damage and maximizing performance. What people say. Thermostat and gasket appear to be exact factory specs. Quicksilver was extremely helpful. Number 4. Mercury Marine Thermostat Kit. This kit is designed for Mercury Marine 135 to 200 HP V6 engines, ensuring optimal engine performance. It's a direct replacement for several common part numbers, offering a reliable and cost-effective solution. It fits various Mercury Marine V6 engines, but please check the serial number to ensure compatibility. This ensures it's the right fit for your specific model. The kit includes 2 thermostats, providing you with spares or the ability to replace both at once. It's everything you need for a complete replacement. This kit replaces several part numbers from various manufacturers, making it a convenient solution for your repair needs. It's a versatile and cost-effective option. Please note that it's not compatible with DFI Optimax motors. Always double-check compatibility before purchasing. If you encounter any issues, our customer support team is ready to assist you. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for V6 engines and includes 2 thermostats for added value. If you own a Mercury Marine V6 outboard and need a reliable replacement thermostat, this is the one for you. It ensures your engine runs at the correct temperature, preventing overheating and maintaining peak performance. The dual thermostats provide redundancy and peace of mind. What people say. Easy to install and functioned like new. Fits perfect and matches model numbers. This worked for 1993 Mariner 15 horsepower 2-stroke. Number 3. Mercury Marine Thermostat Kit. Maintaining the right engine temperature is crucial for optimal performance. This kit ensures your engine runs at its peak efficiency, preventing overheating and costly repairs. It's a perfect replacement for your old thermostat, designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing system. No more worrying about compatibility issues. This versatile kit is compatible with various engine types, including 2.5L and 3.0L inline 4-cylinder and many inline 6-cylinder engines. It's the ultimate solution for multiple applications. It meets or exceeds original equipment manufacturer specifications, ensuring superior quality and reliability. You can trust it to deliver lasting performance. The kit includes everything you need for a complete installation, including a 140-degree thermostat and gasket. It's a simple and straightforward installation process. This kit replaces several part numbers, including 59078, 59078Q3, and 18 to 3650. Check your owner's manual to confirm compatibility. What we like. It's designed for GM 2.5L or 3.0L engines and replaces several common part numbers. If you have a Mercury Cruiser 2.5 or 3.0L engine and need a reliable replacement thermostat, this is the perfect option. It will ensure your engine runs at the correct temperature, preventing overheating and maintaining peak performance. What people say. Used in my 1997 Mercury 3.0-liter marine engine. The thermostat replaced the thermostat in my 1987 Sea Ray Seville. I'm very happy with the way it fits. This kit worked great for our 1995 Bayliner Capri 1952 3.0L. Number 2. Quicksilver 75692Q2 Thermostat Kit. This kit ensures your Mercury outboard runs at optimal temperature. It's designed for 135 to 200 horsepower engines and includes everything you need for a smooth installation. Inside, you'll find 2 high-quality thermostats and 2 durable rubber gaskets. That's everything you need to get the job done right. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions. It provides a step-by-step guide for removing the old thermostat and installing the new one. Maintaining the correct engine temperature is crucial for peak performance and efficiency. It helps your engine run smoothly and last longer. Double-check your owner's or service manual to ensure you're using the correct thermostat for your Mercury outboard. This will guarantee optimal performance. This kit is a genuine Quicksilver part, providing the quality and reliability you expect for your Mercury outboard. Enjoy peak performance with this simple upgrade. What we like. It includes 2 thermostats and gaskets, providing a complete replacement kit. If you need a high-quality replacement thermostat for your Mercury outboard, and you value convenience and reliability, this is the best choice. The extra thermostat ensures you always have a backup, and the included gaskets make installation a breeze. What people say. Exactly what I needed and works well. Easy install. Installed these in my Whalers 96-200 offshore. No issues, used Permatex gasket compound on aluminum engine parts after cleaning with fine brass wire wheel. Perfect replacement. 1995 Mariner 135 2-stroke outboard. This part is the exact replacement for the OEM part. Engine has 2 thermostats. Very quick replace, only had to temporarily remove one hose. Part works, good quality. Number 1. GLM Thermostat Kit. This kit is designed for Mercury outboards. It's a simple solution for a common problem. It fits a range of Mercury engines, from 6 to 25 horsepower. Check the description to see if it's compatible with your engine. This kit is a direct replacement for parts 14586A3 and 18 to 3549. Installation should be straightforward. It features a 120-degree thermostat. This ensures optimal engine performance and cooling. It's designed for easy installation. You'll get your Mercury outboard back up and running quickly. Always check the application information to make sure it's the right fit for your Mercury outboard. Don't hesitate to consult the manual. What we like. It's designed for smaller Mercury outboards and replaces a common part number. If you have a Mercury outboard with a smaller horsepower rating and need a reliable replacement thermostat, this is the right one for you. It ensures your engine runs at the correct temperature, preventing overheating and maintaining peak performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.